Let's talk about your chart of accounts. This is a listing of the categories QuickBooks uses to summarize money movement for your company's financial statements. First, know that there are 5 basic types of accounts: income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity. Think of each type as a kind of bucket used to catch the various transactions of your business and whose contents in turn flow into your financial statements. Most of the time, you won't need to create any new ones. QuickBooks already customized these accounts for you the first time you logged in. However, if you find you need another account category, you'll probably want to add it while you're writing a check or entering a credit card charge or recording some other transaction. Here's how. Say you're entering a purchase. When you get to the Account Details table, click the Account drop-down menu and choose Add New. In the Account window, select the category type. Remember, what you choose here determines which financial statement this account will show up on and where. So it is very important that you choose correctly. For this example, we'll choose Expenses. Next, give this account a name. Make it descriptive so you can quickly find and use it later. Add a few more details if you want to. Choose a detail type. Make your best guess. Your choice here won't hurt anything in your books. Click Save. Another good account to add is Ask My Accountant. You can use this account anytime you're not sure which account to use. To create it, click New, and then fill out the account form. Once in a while, you might need to edit an existing account. If so, find the account you want to edit and click the drop-down menu near the words View Register. Choose Edit, make your changes, and click Save. To delete an account, go to the same drop-down menu and choose Delete. Click Yes to confirm. Now it's your turn. Check out your own charts of accounts and see how your money is categorized.